Soy beverages originated in China centuries ago, long before lactose intolerance and dairy allergies. Recently, this dairy-free drink has become a popular alternative to milk, allowing people to order a latte but hold the lactose. It's not milk, but it's a good substitute. A soy beverage is made from liquefied soybeans. It has the look and consistency of animal milk, but is an entirely different product. It starts with a specific kind of soybean, one that has just the right amount of protein and carbohydrates. They harvest these soybeans when the plants are dry. Less moisture means the beans will be less prone to spoiling. They dehull the soybeans and crack them into small bits. A lift carries the heavy bag of bean bits to a scale to weigh them for processing. The operator cuts open the bottom of the bag, releasing the cracked soybeans into a hopper. Here, augers move the cracked beans up to 2 large grinders. The system pipes in hot water, and the grinders whip the beans and water into a creamy soy beverage concentrate. The beverage travels through steam-heated pipes. This kills off any bacteria that may have come from the field. Then it's into a vacuum chamber for a cool-down. Most of the manufacturing equipment is sealed from the air to prevent contamination. The soy beverage concentrate leaves the vacuum chamber and enters a centrifuge. It spins out much of the chunky, insoluble fiber, leaving smoother, thinner liquid. The soybean fiber won't be wasted. It will be used in food products and animal feed. The soy liquid flows into a big blender. They pipe in filtered water. Add refined sugar, vanilla extract, as well as various vitamins and minerals. He closes the lid while the blender mixes the ingredients into a frothy soy beverage. The soy beverage exits the blender and flows into a huge storage tank, where an agitator keeps the various ingredients well mixed. The tank is refrigerated to preserve the beverage while it's held for testing. The operator takes a sample to test the consistency and nutritional value of the beverage. With his approval, the beverage is released from the tanks. It flows through pipes injected with very hot steam. This kills off any microorganisms that may remain. After a quick cooling, the soy beverage goes into a homogenizer. It pushes the beverage through small holes to break down the fat, reducing the size of the particles. The soy beverage accumulates in a sterile tank until it's ready to be packaged. The soy beverages are packaged without any exposure to contaminants in the environment. The packaging material is made of a polyethylene laminate. Machinery takes the laminate up to a steel ring that forms it into a tubular shape. Hot jaws seal the sides and bottom, then inject the soy beverage and seal the top. The cartons land on the conveyor on their side. They're liquid tight so nothing spills. Then, a conveyor transfers them to a revolving wheel that turns them right side up. Now that they are oriented correctly, they ride a winding conveyor to a capping station. Plastic caps land on spouts that have been molded into the packages. A system of rubber belts screw the caps onto the spouts. This packaging can preserve a soy beverage for up to a year. It probably won't be on the shelf for that long, because someone is always looking for a dietary alternative.